with $500,000. This is a very controversial guy. Some people in the audience love him. Some people don't like him at all. But nevertheless, he's here and he's coming out here. He is the last man standing in the Big Brother house last week. Won $500,000. Here's Will Kirby. Now, as I understand it, Will is a doctor.
I'm nervous to be here. I've never been on TV, so this is...
Not that you're aware of it.
Will is a doctor. He's about to start... Lady, please, can I have it? Listen. Anyway, about to start your residency when you join the show, right?
That's correct.
Yeah. So now, tell me about this show. You're in the house for how many?
82 days.
82 days, days and nights. You never leave the house.
Never left.
Yeah. Cameras all over the place.
Well, you can't really see them. A lot of them are
Even in the
hidden.
bathroom.
And the shower.
Now, how did you feel about that?
I have no problem with it. You know, I have nothing to hide. I have no problem with nudity. Not a big deal.
No, you do not.
Did you see Will?
I most certainly did. I never missed a shower.
I didn't know it was this kind of show. I wouldn't have worn clothes.
Yeah, absolutely. So why did you enter the program?
To be honest, I was working as a physician. I was working a little too hard, and I always wanted a career in entertainment. I don't want to mislead you. I wanted some fame. I wanted a job like yours. You guys have a great life, so I wanted to use this to leapfrog to Hollywood.
Okay.
Good for you.
Good. Now, you weren't a favorite to win, were you?
Not many people liked me.
I liked you.
Thank you.
But
Thank you.
But did you feel that in the house that they were against you?
I really did. I was surprised. I'm getting so much positive feedback.
But did you do that deliberately to make them hate you?
No, I did. I wanted to be hated so that people would want to be against me in the final so that they could win easily. So I wanted to be disliked.
Your strategy was to be disliked so that you would get to the finals because they thought they could vote you out.
Exactly.
So what happened? Why didn't they vote you out if they hated you so much?
Well, because I ended up to not be that bad. Am I right? I wasn't that bad.
No, he was very good. Now, when it came down to you and Nicole,
Right.
did you know that you had it in the bag?
No, not at all. You know, I was hoping I'd have a shot, but I didn't think I had it wrapped up. You know, they really. My perception was that I wasn't well liked by anyone.
You are cut off from the entire world for the 82 days. That's almost 3 months.
Absolutely.
Wow.
No information whatsoever. Very little information. We got some about the New York incident.
And you just to go about your life in these rooms.
It's
How many people were there?
There was 12 initially.
It was like being in a den of pit vipers.
It was like being a dolphin in the tank. at
Day
SeaWorld.
and night with the same 12 people until one of them one by one
Right.
left.
But you and Nicole fought a lot
We
the whole
butted heads
time.
for
You were
weeks.
like,
We
really
didn't get
arch
along.
enemies.
We have, you know, differing personalities. One's not right, one's not wrong. We just have different schools of thought on life.
One night, she kept him awake all night. She kept leaving the room. They were fighting. She would walk into the room, wake him up, fight with him, and then leave and go outside, smoke a pack of cigarettes, come back in, wake him up, go outside and smoke another pack of cigarettes.
I'm addicted to secondhand smoke now.
Wow. But while you were there, you met and fell in love with one of your fellow contestants.
That's what they tell me. That's what they tell me.
What they tell you?
No, it's true.
Yeah. Her name was Shannon.
Her name's Shannon.
And so how did Shannon enter into the picture? You just began noticing her, talking to her?
She, yeah, they sort of portrayed her on the house as not a very nice person, but she's a sweetheart. She's just a wonderful girl. She's just a magnificent
Did
woman.
everyone sense that you were falling in love with Shannon?
The house guests knew it, and they wanted to separate us because, you know, that's sort of an alliance.
So how do you say they portrayed her as a not nice person? The other house guests?
Well, the other house guests, they were actually not all that nice, so they wanted, you know, they wanted to project that onto her, and also the show was edited in a certain way. It was very, very realistic, but nonetheless, there were some storylines which were emphasized.
What do you mean storylines? Storylines as they developed or storylines as they were created?
No, storylines as they developed. Like, you know, our relationship was emphasized, and, you know, it's very exciting to me, but, you know, I didn't think it was going to be on TV. I didn't think anyone else would be interested.
Tell me about Shannon. What's her last name?
Last name is Dragoo.
Dragoo?
Right. Yeah, it's kind of unfortunate.
Dragoo?
It's not my last name.
Shannon Kirby would sound a lot better than Shannon Dragoo.
Some would think.
How serious is this?
It's pretty serious.
Really? Where's she from?
She's from Texas.
Oh, my gosh. So let's bring her out here. Here's Shannon Dragoo. seat right here.
See, now you fought with Nicole a lot over the cigarette smoking, right?
Not so much. Nicole and I got along really well in the house, actually, compared to everybody else. And I trained her, helped her work out and take care of herself.
I saw a fight with you and everybody smoking in the corner, and you were saying that they had a problem with you, and you were going to get voted out because you were physically fit, and they were all in the corner smoking. It seemed there were lots of smokers.
There's a lot of smoke. That's what I was saying. I'm addicted to secondhand smoke. People smoking all the time. I need the patch.
You are a big dragoo. There's no doubt about it.
Oh, well, thank you, I think.
Did you have a boyfriend when you entered the house?
Yes and no, but how could I resist Will?
So wait a minute. So you guys are having an affair in the house, and your boyfriend's at home watching, right? Because you can't call him and drink, you know. See this house? I told you this house is no good.
You got a good point there. How did you handle the other guy?
Took care of it when I got out of the house. I mean, things were pretty much defined before I went into the house. But like I said, they did a great job of putting us together.
Well, so it looks like you two have really fallen in love.
Yes.
Isn't that nice? See, a happy ending. All right, we're going to be back in a moment. Don't go away.